CIMCO MDC-Max is a real-time machine data collection system that provides an instant overview of your shop floor productivity. With its powerful machine data collection and analysis capabilities, production bottlenecks can be identified and the right changes can be implemented based on accurate data collected from your CNC machine tools. MDC-Max can help increase production, schedule machine maintenance more efficiently, and automatically calculate your machine productivity. With MDC-Max, machine data can be collected without having to place PCs beside the machine tools, and both machine and operator data can be gathered using your existing serial, Ethernet, or wireless network, even across multiple facilities. Each machine connected to your network can transmit production data to MDC-Max, and once set up, machine data is automatically collected in real time 24/7. Operators can report machine downtime such as waiting for setter, waiting for maintenance, and scrapped part using either mobile devices, mounted tablets, touch computers, or barcode readers. With MDC-Max, data can be visualized as both historic and real-time reports, and data can be exported to other applications such as Microsoft Excel for further analysis. Predefined and customized reports can easily be created to visualize data as tables, pie or bar charts, show production targets, work shifts, calculate key performance indicators such as OEE, MTBF, MTTR, and much more. Event logs in time order by operator, machine, and job can also be generated to know exactly how each machine and operator is performing. For real-time monitoring on the shop floor, MDC-Max comes with a unique live screen feature that provides an overview of machines and their status. The live screen is intended for display on large screens, so that all personnel can easily see the status of each machine. With the MDC-Max web client, live screens can also be accessed using a smartphone or tablet, and if machines are running through the night, MDC-Max can even be configured to notify a standby operator at home in case a machine stops. CIMCO MDC-Max can be fully integrated with CIMCO DNC-Max, CIMCO NC Base, and CIMCO MDM, providing a complete DNC manufacturing data management and machine data collection system from one supplier. CIMCO MDC-Max also integrates with most ERP MPS systems on the market, giving you an integrated solution that can significantly help reduce administrative tasks. CIMCO MDC-Max, the professional choice for manufacturing data collection. To learn more about MDC-Max and our other software products, visit our website today at cimco.com.